Hello and welcome. So you wish to add a new post to your WordPress site. Now this is the dashboard that you will initially have when you log in. I'm with Ionos, so you may have a different looking dashboard, but that's okay. The fundamentals are the same. You want to be looking at the menu on the left here, which has all the different features, and as you install them and move through your WordPress journey, you will be adding more things to this list, and it can get quite complicated, but the fundamentals are the same. As I mentioned, you have posts and you have all posts, which shows you pretty much all of your posts you have. They are put into categories. Ignore the titles. This is just a test site that I'm using for these videos. And what you want to do is go up to the left here and click add post, or you can go to the top, which is convenient, and click add post. Okay, so this will then bring up the new post screen, and from here you can then start adding in your various headings, paragraphs, media and so on into your new post. Hopefully that's helpful. Please like and subscribe for more tips like these.